So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Placement Wala, and we have very special guest with us. His name is Bhushan. He have secured job in Craft Silicon with a salary of 4 LPA. So he is going to talk about everything like his test process, his interview and everything. So I would like please Bhushan introduce yourself to our viewers.
Myself, Bhushan, our transfer preference getting phase preference transfer candidates for taking Bangalore. And recently I got placed in Curve Fund with a package of 4 NBA and the role of what is .NET developer.
Okay, so what was your test preparation journey? How you prepared? What was your weak topics? What was your strong topics? And how you tackled everything?
Yeah. Basically, there were 5 rounds with the company which I was selected. The first round was aptitude and it was online. It had 60% basically for mental ability, verbal, mathematics, and basic communication skills. And next, rest of the rounds were done in the function premises. And second round was a group discussion followed by technical manager, etc.
Okay, so what was your like test topics that you prepared that was weak or strong, and how you tackled the particular topics for the test?
Previously, I used to play with the current aptitude test. So I used to solve previous year versions in some of the MNC software, right? So I used to solve those questions and I used to make some short queries for the formulas for the mathematics purpose.
Okay, so what was the rule of online study for you for the preparation of the test?
Yeah, and they had a YouTube channel. So they had posted previous year questions that were asked in different MNCs. So instead of solving on any other platform, I used to follow the YouTube channel videos and let the video get aptitude test.
Okay, so we'll talk about the interview process when you got your notifications for interview dates and what was the process. When you went for the interview, how many members were there in panel? What was the question asked? If they were tricky, then how you tackled them. So yeah, please share your experience.
So group discussion was there, during the best to best process, and they had given some 5 to 6 topics. So we had to speak on each of the topic, and nearly 280 people were there in the 4 process who were shortlisted after aptitude round. And after the group discussion, those who were selected, they went for the technical round. So my technical round was usually great difference. I then Springboard project, so he used to ask me Springboard questions. Why did you use Springboard instead? So let's stage the other topics are there to build any web application. So he used to ask me real time scenario questions. And followed by manager round, and there he asked me Java based questions. And the final was HR round, where they asked my personal details and they asked me regarding the company. And they told on the it's such as when to join and the salary pipings forward and the role also.
Okay. So we would like to describe any tips or tricks that you want to share with aspirants who want to prepare for this job. Like if you have any roadmap in mind that do this for test, do this for interview, so that their journey become easy. If you have any tips, any routine or any roadmap for them.
People will learn their answers. So in order to get better understanding, we can implement the projects way. If we implement the projects, we'll have more chances of bearing later. Because if we try to explain the projects, it will cover the topics. So
Okay.
they do not require any further questions. Questions.
Okay. So yeah, this was your whole journey. Will you like to little bit break down your test, like test dates, then when you received the notification for interview and when you received the offer letter? Can you just break down the little timelines?
Like what that basically was. But
Okay. Okay.
coming Monday is my joining date. And it was done 2 3 ways.
And say how you used to study, what was your routine look like?
You want to think or feel like it should be able to code. So today the people who code are chosen better.
Okay, so you need to have good coding skills in order to get this job. So, okay, thank you so much, Bhushan, for sharing your experience. We are very proud of you that you cracked the job. And we are also very grateful that online study for you played a role for you to clear this job. And thank you so much for coming on this podcast and sharing your insights with us. Thank you so much for coming.